Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USA Clean for over 11 years. And this machine here is a Noble Speed Scrub Rider. The machine behind me is a Tennant T7. Now in this video series, we're going to show you tips and tricks that will either work for the Noble Speed Scrub Rider or the Tennant T7 to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, one thing you need to do is maintain your solution screen for proper solution flow. Now your solution screen is located inside of your solution tank. So first thing you need to do is lift the seat, lock it into place. And then you take your recovery tank and you push that backwards. Then you can locate your solution screen, which is sitting right here. So what you need to do, you can either replace it or clean it if need be. So take it out. Check it for debris. If it needs cleaned, clean it, then put it back in. If it needs replaced because it's frayed and busted, replace it, just put it back in. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in this video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at usaclean.com. Stay safe and thanks for watching.